Alright, welcome back to Living in Cape Coral. Dean here with eXp Realty. Today I'm in Southeast Cape Coral. I'm holding an open house at one of our new construction listings, and I'm really looking forward to showing you this place. Before I do, I always like to give you a first tour of the neighborhood. This is located actually across the street from like a little plaza, and then there's a gas station right over there. Santa Barbara is right there, so you're about 3 houses in, so easy access to Santa Barbara and wherever you need to go. And this plaza has a hair salon, smoke shop, barber shop. He's got all sorts of things on there, so it's very convenient as well. But this is the property that we're talking about today. This is a 4-bedroom, 3-bathroom, 3-car garage, 2,002 square feet. It's got pavers on the front here throughout, and they sealed the pavers as well. The landscaping, absolutely love the landscaping. Look at this presentation here. That sign lights up at night as well. Don't mind that alarm in the background. It's a security system that the builder put in that gets removed after the house is closed. Look at these lights that they got over here with the very modern. Talk about lights. They have lights on the floors here throughout as well. Of course, they got lights here, so at night all these plants are very visible. And then look at this entryway. Isn't that unique? It's very different. I like it. All right, let's head in and give you all the details of this home. I think you're going to be pretty impressed. All right. So everything you see is included. First thing you're going to notice as soon as you walk in, you got this nice mirror. It's pretty tall. This entryway, this has got to be at least 12 feet high. They got the wallpaper right here. That's a thing now. Look how nice that came out. But it does come with a 85-inch TV included. This built-in TV enclosure. And it's all wallpaper. Look at that. That came out so nice. You got the tray ceilings, and you do have those lights inside. It does have a built-in surround sound throughout the house. So you see speakers there. They got them outside in the lanai. Okay, so as soon as you walk in here, to your right is your first bedroom. This is, if somebody works from home, this is probably gonna be their home office. This is probably the best spot for it. You get a nice view of the front of the house. And yes, these are impact windows and doors. Got these beautiful blinds that come down like that. The rest of them in the house are actually electronic by the press of a button. You got the 8-foot doors. Beautiful porcelain tile throughout. Look at the size of this tile. Love the color. Goes really well with the rest of the kitchen. Look at this huge kitchen island with the waterfall feature. Dishwasher, lots of storage space, big sink. You got these charging stations on each end. Put your phone on there, and then look at this. So smooth. You got a vent there. This is also a nice feature when you're cooking pasta. You need to fill up a big pot of water. Do it from here instead of having to fill it up over here and then drag it out to the other side. You got a built-in microwave and range built in. And I just want to show the difference between these cabinets and then this. It's got this two-tone, and it came out really nice. The builder has a really creative eye. This is your pantry. Good sized pantry. Shelving built in, ready to go. Here's your laundry room. Washer and dryer included. Nice Maytag front loaders. Extra storage up front. Here's your 3-car garage. You got the epoxy flooring. And look, it's pushed back a little bit further over here, so you have some extra space. It does have a charging station for electric vehicles. And you know, these is not the traditional garage door openers. These are much smoother, and they look a lot better. And yes, these are hurricane impact garage doors. Here's another thing that the builder put in. See that right there? That's a like a refreshment system throughout the house. It actually sprays incense throughout the house and keeps it smelling really, really good. I've never seen that in a house before. I thought it was a really nice feature. Got these beautiful blinds here in the dining room. And again, those blinds are on a remote. You press a button, they go up and down. It's got this nice built-in feature as well. This is really nice. You got this built-in coffee maker. You can actually put fresh grounds of coffee up on top, and it will grind it up for you and make you anything that you want. I thought it was really cool. Storage down there, storage down here. Got storage down here for anything you want to keep cool. And then look at that. Coffee mugs, whatever else you want to store. So there's a lot of storage space in this house. They did a good job with how they built that in. Stainless steel appliances. These are 12-foot ceilings, by the way. Another thing I want to point out is the lights and then the vents that they put in. You don't see that too often. I really like that. Came out great. All right, let's move on. So here's your first full bath with a stand-up shower. Watch this. How cool is that? The toilet's ready for you. This is your first bedroom. Built-in closets, built-in shelving in the closet, I should say. And you notice you got the 8-foot doors throughout the whole house. Closet for this room is right here. And this one has the pool bath and the full bathroom. So that door goes out to the pool. All right. On the opposite side of the house, you have your master. It's a good sized master. I like those lights that they have. Pretty sweet. Put them right above your side of your bed. Got the tray ceilings. Also got the lights in there. Pretty nice feature. A fan in every room is a must-have. This is where you can mount a TV if you choose to. Or put up a nice piece of artwork. You got 2 walk-in closets, the built-in shelving, ready to go. One on this side, and one on this side. This one's even bigger, actually, deeper. Private toilet. Boom. Yes, it's one of those fancy toilets. Welcome. Not right now, maybe later. Okay. So you got a sink on this side and one on this side. So if you don't like sharing, there's 2. Good for you. All right, you got this nice glass shower. It's a huge shower, and I like what they did with the tub in here. You got a little seating area there. And look at that. Yeah, if you don't like sharing, you got your own. You got some natural light. Tile throughout. This is a nice feature. That came out so nice. Very impressed. Got some extra storage right here. Push, pull, bam. Look at that. All right, and to the finale, the best part. Always leave that for last. It's gonna be the outdoors. This house has a very impressive pool. All right, so you got this nice seating area here. Now, before we go out, I just want to show you something. Check this out. You want some extra privacy? Bam, put those hurricane shutters down. It comes to use for a couple different reasons. One, it's just nice to have some extra privacy at night. Or if you want to keep the mosquitoes out and sit out at night, then yes, that portion comes down as well. So it's nice to be able to sit outside and not be bothered by the mosquitoes. Secondly, if we have a hurricane or something like that coming, it's nice just to be able to take those, anything that's outside here, kind of move it inside and then put the shutters down, and that's it. That's all you really have to go. Again, this house does have hurricane impact windows and doors. Check out what they did with the ceiling in here. It does have lights all around there. Got these nice built-ins, and then the built-in speakers, two nice fans. Got the outdoor TV that comes with it. I believe that's a 55-inch, 60-inch. Then you got this outdoor, it's kind of an outdoor kitchen with the sink. Nice granite countertop. Actually, that's a quartz countertop. Then a small fridge outside. And then here's the pool. Pretty big pool, about 5 feet deep. And what the builder did with this one, actually, he paid extra to offer a lifetime warranty on the material that's used around the pool, on the shell inside. So typically that material is good for 15-20 years in a standard pool, but this is a lifetime, so you'll never have to worry about resurfacing it. And I think it's a very, very cool feature. You got a little bubble bath area over here. All right, and then you got jacuzzi. Just one of those built-in jacuzzis. Real nice feature to have down here. Notice what they did with this, the grass trim around, and then the extra feature around the pool. That came out real nice. You got the pavers all around the back of the house. Nice little feature over here. As you can see, there's plenty of room to entertain. Lots of space back here. Lots of palm trees. House is also fully fenced. Here's an outdoor shower. And then over here, they extended the pavers all the way out to the garage entryway. Then you have your water heater, your saltwater system, and then you've noticed there's a security system throughout the house that's also included. So, I mean, there's a lot of cool features with this home. I hope you're as impressed as I am with this property. And guess what? It's only $675. That's right, a brand new house here in Southeast Cape Coral for $675. It's hard to find something like this at this price point. So if you're interested in learning more about this house, give me a call today. All my information is in the description. Have a great day.